In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and move audio in CapCut. Let's get started by making sure you're in the right place. Open your project in CapCut so that your video is already loaded in the main editor. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the timeline. This is where all of your clips and audio tracks live, and it's where we'll be doing all of our work. On the timeline, look for the playhead. This is usually a vertical black line or a different colored line depending on your version of CapCut. The playhead shows the exact point in your video that you're currently on. You can drag it left or right to move through your project. To cut your audio, first decide the exact moment where you want the cut to happen. Drag the playhead to that point on the timeline. Take your time here and use the preview window to play and pause so you can line it up precisely with beats, words, or specific moments in your video. Once the playhead is in the right spot, look just above the timeline for the toolbar. In that toolbar, you'll find the split icon. The icon might look like a pair of scissors or a vertical line cutting through a clip, depending on your version. Click or tap on the split icon. This will cut the audio clip exactly where the playhead is positioned. After you split the audio, you'll now have separate pieces of that audio clip on your timeline. Each piece can be adjusted independently. To move a piece of audio, simply tap or click on that specific audio segment on the timeline to select it. You should see it highlighted, showing that it's active. Now, drag that selected audio segment left or right along the timeline. As you move it, pay attention to how it lines up with your video clips or other sounds. This lets you sync dialogue, music, or sound effects so they match the visuals perfectly. When you're happy with the position, release it to drop it into place. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. Move the playhead, split the audio, and drag the pieces around until everything sounds just right. And that's it. You've learned how to cut and move audio in CapCut, giving you precise control over how your sound lines up with your video.